Well, we finished off the day 5 degrees cooler than yesterday. Yesterday, our high was 105 degrees. Today, 100, and we're currently at 98 degrees here in Las Vegas. But this number that you see is actually warmer than the high temperature we are expecting for tomorrow. We'll get a look at that number here in just a few seconds. Boulder City, 93 degrees, and Henderson at 97. And you can see what we can expect for the rest of the evening. Temperatures right around 90 degrees by 9 o'clock, and those winds should stay fairly light. Notice as we head into the late night hours, we do drop into the 80s, 85 by 1 a.m. And by the time we get into those overnight lows in the morning hours, we're going to see those lows right around 79 degrees, 79, 80 degrees. And a lot of dark clouds out there still, but you can see here on Desert Doppler, everything looking quiet here around the valley. Most of the activity has pushed off to the east. We saw a few sprinkles here around town. Most of the rain stayed in the higher elevations, similar as well to what we saw on Saturday. Now, this deep tropical moisture from the remnants of what was Hurricane Linda moved into the area, and those will continue to push off to the east, and behind it, drier air. But the other thing that we are watching is a very large area of low pressure off in the Pacific Northwest. This is going to drop down, move inland, and move east. Not going to drop down so far as to move over our area, but will pass to our north, and that means cooler temperatures and windier conditions as we head through the next several days. So let's talk about the wind. 12-mile-per-hour winds as we speak. Then as we move forward here, notice by the morning hours on Monday, still looking pretty calm, but watch what happens as we head into the afternoon. These are sustained wind speeds, 21-mile-per-hour winds by 4 o'clock, and we do stay windy. Typically we see wind speeds drop in the morning hours, but not the case on Tuesday. Close to 20 miles per hour on Tuesday morning, and then as we head into the afternoon, again pretty steady, right around 20-25 miles per hour on both days. We'll be talking gusts right around 35 miles per hour, which does still keep us on the lower end of the windy category. 79 tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Those winds should stay fairly light for most of the evening, right around 10 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow, our high temperature even cooler than this afternoon, 96 for the high, and there are your windy conditions. Sustained wind speeds right around 10 to 20 with peak gusts right around 35 miles per hour. Tomorrow, your high in Mesquite, 99 degrees. Boulder City coming in at 95. And notice both Pahrump and Indian Springs at 92 degrees. And if you like the cooler temperatures, things will only be getting better. Windy Monday all the way through Wednesday as that system passes to our north. By Tuesday, 90 degrees. But take a look at that number on Wednesday, 88 for the high. That is actually an average temperature at the end of September, not right now. Average temperatures right now are running in the mid-90s, and that is what we will eventually head up to as we head to Friday and the weekend. A little bit of a gradual warm up, but still right around where we should be for this time of year. And certainly by Wednesday, we are set to be dry, and that will linger all the way into at least next weekend.
And those cool, mild nights, look at that, 70s all the way through.
Very nice.